Whether you have been using Pinduoduo shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and you have issues with Chinese language, what if I told you right here in this video that I'm going to show you on how you can change from Chinese language to English language on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app in a single settings? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. Have you opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app? Just like what you see right here, you can see everything right here is still in Chinese. Okay, even if I click on any of the product link right here, you're still going to see them in Chinese. So if I click on this particular product right here, and let's see, you see everything here was written in Chinese. How can you change all this language here from Chinese to English language in a single click? Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. Then we want to make sure we click on here, the profile icon, just like so. And the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and we simply click on this setting from the top right here. So click on here and it's going to take us right here. And the next thing we want to do is to go, and it's going to take us right here. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Just like so. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. And go ahead and click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then click on English. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And in a few seconds, just like what you see right here, refresh the app. Now you have it right here in English language, just like what you see right here. So if you click on any of the products right here, let's say for instance, I click on this product right here. Then here you go. You have everything now in English language. So let's go back. So if I click on the product, if I click on the profile right here, I refresh. Now you find everything right now is now in English language. So if I click on my watch list right here, and then you see some of the products I've clicked on in the previous right here. So if I click on my history right here, now you see all the, so this is the previous product I clicked that show all in Chinese. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it again. Now we have it now in English language. Even the price still remain the same. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.